Good morning, students. We have the third factor to discuss today, which decide the selective discharge of ions at the electrodes. And the third factor is nature of electrodes. We have discussed about the position in the electrochemical series. We have also discussed about the concentration of ions in the electrolytes, and it is the third factor to decide about the discharging of ions at the electrodes. You should know there are two nature of electrodes, inert and active electrodes. Inert electrodes are platinum, graphite. These are the most commonly used inert electrode during the electrolysis process, and active electrodes can be copper, silver, nickel, etc. Now let us see what happens when there is active electrode taken as the electrodes during the electrolysis. So we will take one example to understand how discharging takes place in this case. We will take example of electrolysis of copper sulfate solution using copper electrodes, that is anode and cathode both are made of copper. Now this copper is an active electrode. So what happens when we pass current to copper sulfate solution? This copper sulfate will get dissociated into Cu2 plus ion, that is cupric ion, and sulfate ion. Similarly, you can take solution here. Similarly, water will get ionized into H plus and OH minus ion. So for the case of nature of electrodes, there will be no change as far as the discharging of cations are concerned. So at cathode, out of these two ions, since hydrogen, copper ion is below hydrogen ion, so copper ion will be discharging first. Once again, there will be no change in the discharging process for the cations, no matter what nature of electrodes we take. So it will be Cu2 plus ion on gaining 2 electrons will be changed to a neutral copper atom. But when towards anode is concerned, in this case, you know that out of these two, it is hydroxyl ion that should be discharged first, because hydroxyl ion is below sulfate ion. But we are not going to discharge hydroxyl ion also, because you can see copper has been taken as the active electrode, that is anode. So it will be copper first that is going to lose the electron. So here neither sulfate ion or nor hydroxyl ion will be losing the electron, but it will be the copper in the anode that will lose the electron first. So copper will be losing the electron and will be changed into cupric ion. So we can find this change taking place as far as the discharging towards anode is concerned Here negative ion will not be discharged. It will be the active electrode. Here copper is the active electrode at the anode side being taken. So it will be copper that is going to discharge first on losing 2 electrons. So copper here will be losing 2 electrons to form cupric ion. And this cupric ion will go into the solution. I hope it's clear to you. So you have to practice the concentration of ions and the nature of electrodes once again. Thank you.